let's get practical a little bit. So how do you know if a strategy is yours? Okay, it starts with logistics. What time frame can you realistically trade? Don't try to squeeze trading the open when you have a full-time job and you don't have a break in the morning. Don't try to squeeze in the open if you are in a time zone that is so difficult for you, you have to wake up during the night, okay? Are you better with fast-paced decisions, or do you prefer more time to think, like I do? Then, what instruments resonate with you? What kind of setups make you feel clear and confident versus anxious and rushed? Okay, I do not trade the open anymore because I don't feel good in the open. I don't trust the open. And also because of my visits to the NYSE, I was with the guys prior to the open, just the traders, market makers, brokers, and I saw the orders come in, right? Big, it's like a dump for orders. The open is scary for me, okay? And so, but I had to find that. I had to trade the open to realize this is not for me. I don't know what to do. I need, when I trade, I need a story. I need a context. And I need to understand. And the open doesn't make sense to me, okay? This is very personal, okay? So your ideal style should match your energy, your schedule, your natural strength. It shouldn't feel forcing. A square peg into a round hole, okay? Don't force yourself. So I've broken this down into 3 simple pillars, okay? Psychology, skill, lifestyle. If your strategy doesn't fit you psychologically, you'll constantly second guess yourself. And the last thing you want to do in trading is second guess yourself, okay? If it doesn't match your skill set, like being too reliant on something you don't grasp well enough, you will hesitate. And if it doesn't work with your life, kids, work, time zone, you'll burn out. All 3 pillars need to align for you to thrive. When they do, trading starts to feel natural. It's aligned, it's effortless, it's comfortable. So, if we break it down, are you impatient or methodical? Like, are you good at waiting or not? Are you a visual thinker or numbers driven? Do you have 3 hours a day or 20 minutes a day? Okay, so these are questions that are super important to ask yourself. And I remember also before I used to say I love the open because it was so exciting for me. It's exciting, it's moving, right? The most volume is there. I mean, I love the adrenaline, the feeling, the dopamine, the excitement. It doesn't suit me. I've been whacked so many times. Like, it's not for me. So I needed to accept that. It was so hard because I remember like saying, oh, the open is awesome. I can be done by 9:45. So only 15 minutes in and I make money. Like, I really thought I liked it, but I really liked the excitement. So I think I was seeing the open more like a gambler's thing. I was thinking with my gambler's mind at that time. Bonjour, Market Alchemist. Thank you so much for being here and watching this video. We've come to the end of this episode, but your journey doesn't stop here. Make sure to watch the next video in the series and don't forget to like and subscribe.